everyone, this is Shady with TaxSaleSupport.com. Today I wanted to show you probably one of the best tax sale deals that Steven and I have seen come through a tax sale anytime in the last 10 years or 15 years. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to show that to you right now. And this deal was actually a land deal that came out of a Tulsa, Oklahoma tax sale. So this property, they had it divided into two properties, but really, if you were going to buy one, you were going to buy the other. These two properties had a combined opening bid amount of about $335,000, but the assessed values on the property was at about $4.4 million. And so the bidding on this property only got up to about $650,000. It was really between two different people, to be picked up for that price was probably 10% of value. I mean, the properties there in Tulsa were selling for quite a bit above market there at the time, and I think this property would be no different. In fact, let's go and take a look at it, because the property had in a market value, it had to be over $6 million, and so when they purchased this property, they basically made off with about $5 million plus, immediately upon purchasing, I think. Let's take a look at it though, because it really is quite the amazing property, and here's why. So this property it's in one of the nicer parts of Tulsa. It's also right next to the Arkansas River, and so this is a highly sought after area that just hadn't been developed yet. If you also look just to the north of this lot that we're looking at, you have this brand new high-end shopping mall complex here. And this would be a perfect, commercial lot here for some kind of high-end housing or, shopping. It can be used for a number of different things. In fact, let's go down here to the street side level here and show you. It really is an amazing property. So here we're looking at it. The river is out here, a little beyond those trees there, and the lot, is kind of shaped. It has kind of a triangle shape to it there, as we're looking at it. So yeah, what we're looking at here is we're at that back edge, looking at, and you can see that it's completely flat, completely usable, and in a, it's also in a highly trafficked area that's, that's been developed for a long time. So. It's rare to find pieces of property like this that that can be developed in the middle of town, and I think that's part of the reason why the value on it was so high. But it also just goes to show where some of the best tax sale deals can be with properties like this. This was an incredible property deal for the gentleman that ended up picking this up. So we hope you've enjoyed this this property here, and as we come across others, we'll be sure to show you.